Most people don't destroy their lives with one dramatic mistake. They destroy them quietly, slowly, through tiny habits, toxic people, and buried emotions they keep ignoring. And psychology calls this the silent collapse. The moment your life starts falling apart long before you even notice. The moment damage begins in the dark, not in the explosion. The first thing that breaks you isn't failure. It's the people who drain your energy, because your brain literally mirrors the emotional state of those around you. And if you surround yourself with negativity, drama, and constant complaining, your mind gets rewired for survival instead of growth, and you start shrinking instead of expanding. You don't need perfect people. You just need people who don't make your life heavier. The second destroyer is procrastination. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is avoiding discomfort. Avoidance anxiety. And every time you delay something important, you teach your brain that running away feels safer than moving forward. And over time, that becomes your identity, not just your habit. The third destroyer is clutter, physical and mental, because studies show that clutter spikes cortisol, overloads your working memory, and makes even simple decisions feel exhausting. A chaotic environment becomes a chaotic mind, and you start drowning in things that shouldn't have power over you. The fourth destroyer is the urge to please everyone, a habit born from childhood when love felt conditional and rejection felt dangerous. And the more you try to be everything for everyone, the more you lose your sense of self, until there's nothing left but exhaustion and resentment, because the version of you that everyone likes is rarely the version that feels true. And the final destroyer is the pain you keep avoiding, the wound you never talk about, the memory you never process, the fear you never confront. Unprocessed emotions don't disappear. They hide in your reactions, your relationships, your confidence, and your self-worth. And the more you avoid them, the larger they grow. Here's the truth most people run from. If even one of these things is still in your life, it is already shaping your future. And the longer you tolerate it, the more permanent the damage becomes. But the second you decide to remove what is weighing you down, everything changes. Because your life doesn't improve by accident, it improves by elimination. If this spoke to something inside you, hit subscribe right now. Because here on the Knownsense, we break toxic patterns, expose hidden psychology, and help you build the strongest version of yourself from the inside out. Like the video, drop a comment, and join the community that actually thinks deeper.